Hello everybody. We're at Walmart and I'm excited to do today's deals. So if you guys know, Ibotta has the free Thanksgiving meal. Everybody pretty much is choosing the sides first. But you know me, I love a challenge, and I chose the turkey challenge where I needed 36 rebates to get the turkey. Well, guess what, you guys? Guess what? I only need 9 more rebates to get that turkey. And Jennifer is like, yes, we're gonna do it. So I'm gonna get the turkey rebate today. I might like buy some stuff and then go back and go shopping some more, because I want to see if the sides will show up right away or will they show up once I buy the turkey, because I'm not ready to buy a turkey yet because I got no room in my freezer. So we will see, but I know a lot of people are kind of disappointed in the turkey deal this year than in the past. They've changed it every single year, but that's okay. You know what? I still love a challenge and I'm here to help you guys. So yes, as far as I know, Halloween is 75% off. I don't know if it changed since now. Hopefully it did. Black Friday started yesterday online, and then tomorrow is Friday. It'll be in stores. I got everything that I saw, but I will definitely keep you guys updated on that. But I'm excited to go do some shopping, so let's go inside and have some fun. So here we have the Carefree for $3.58. There's a bunch of different ones that you guys can get, but they're $3.58. We currently have a Ibotta rebate. Sorry, we have an Ibotta rebate for $3 off of 2, and then we also have a Shopium deal where it's 3 off of 2. So together you'll pay $7.16. You'll get that $6 back from both apps, making this just $1.16 or 58 cents each. So here we have the Johnson baby stuff. We are in the travel aisle. I'm gonna get the shampoo that is $2.18 because I'm gonna give these to my nephew. But you're gonna get 2 of them. You will pay $4.36. But there is a limit of 1 for the Ibotta app where you'll get $1 back, and then we have Shopium where you get $1.50 off of 2. So you get $2.50 back, making your final price just $1.86 or 93 cents each. So here we have the Bonine for $4.96. You're gonna purchase that and pay $4.96. But we currently got a $2.48 rebate with Ibotta. Then you also get 460 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product with Shop Kicks, which is $1.80. So your final price for this just comes out to be just 68 cents, which is a great deal. So here we have the Alka-Seltzer Energy Boost for $4.97. You're gonna pay $4.97, but with the Shopkick app, you actually get 1,015 points for purchasing and scanning, which is $4.06. This just comes out to be 91 cents, which my husband's actually pretty excited to take this. He took it the other one, so 91 cents. So this is another repeat deal, but it's even better. So we're gonna get one of these Snuggle Super Fresh for $4.77. Then we're gonna get one of these Snuggle Blue Sparkle for $6.57, okay? Altogether, you guys will pay $11.34. But we have a deal with Swag Bucks where you get 500 points when you purchase the 2. We get $2.50 back with the Blue Sparkle Snuggle on Ibotta. We also get $1.50 back with the Super Fresh deal with Ibotta. Then there is a Checkout 51 deal where you get $1.19 back, and it is a limit of 5, so we're gonna do this deal twice, so we'll get $1.19 back times 2. These come out to be a 4-cent moneymaker. You'll get both of them for free. So this deal keeps just coming back, but we have the Splenda Peel and Pour for $6.28. It's all located where all the drink things are. But we currently have a limit 1 where you get a $6.28 back with Ibotta. This is an easy freebie that you guys can do as long as your store has it. My store still has those ones way in the back from last week. It's still an awesome deal. So here's an awesome deal. Make sure you guys are checking your clearance, but I found this Reese's Pieces Puffs Bats. There's some more on the top shelf, but I did a price check and my store says they are $1.23. So we're gonna buy 2 of them. There is currently, I already used the Shopium deal, but I have a Swag Bucks deal where I get $1 back when I purchase the 2. So we're gonna do that, but you'll pay $2.46 for 2 of them, but you'll get that $1 back with Swag Bucks. And then I also have a $1 back when you purchase 2 with Ibotta. These just come out to be 46 cents, you guys. 46 cents, that's 23 cents a box, which is an awesome deal. Other clearance find I found was the Captain Crunch Halloween. My mom says she would take it. So this is $1. There's only one, it says it's out of stock, but we're gonna get this for $1. No Ibotta rebate that I know of, but awesome deal for $1. So here we have the Velveeta shells and cheese for $2.98. You would pay $2.98 for it. But then we have, I lost my screenshot, we have a 75-cent Ibotta rebate that you guys can submit to. This ends up becoming just $2.23. I've been craving this macaroni and cheese and I don't have any of this kind, so we're gonna get some. So here's an easy freebie if you guys want it. We have the Breyers Carb Smart for $2.98. There is currently a Fetch Rewards deal that goes on until the 20th, but you get 1,000 points per dollar when you purchase this. So basically you will get 2,980 points, making this an easy freebie. Again, you can do this deal 5 times, get all of them absolutely for free. I'm gonna get like 2 or 3 of them, because I'm gonna wait and see if it's good for next week, but an easy freebie for you guys. So I just looked at the app and it's actually $4.67, but they're gonna have to price match this anyways, but $4.67 is still an easy freebie for you guys. So here's the deal that we're gonna do. We're gonna get the Green Giant rice veggies for $2.78, and then we're gonna get the Dino veggie tots for $3.87. Together you will pay $6.65, but then we have a 75-cent Ibotta rebate for the Dino tots, and then we also have a 75-cent Ibotta rebate for the riced veggies. Then we also have $3 back with when you buy 2 from Swag Bucks, making these just $2.15 or $1.07 each, which is a pretty decent deal. I'm just debating if I want broccoli and cheese or cauliflower. So I'm just getting a stovetop because my husband likes these. These are rollback for $1.98. We currently have a 10-cent Ibotta rebate, making it just $1.88. Not a hot deal, but I'm getting it because my husband likes it. I'm getting this deal also. I'm gonna get the mac and cheese. It says it's $3.43, but according to online, it says it's $2.98. We're gonna get it for $2.98. There's an Ibotta rebate for 75 cents back, but the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm getting one of the macaroni and cheeses already, and I'm getting this stovetop, so why not just get another macaroni cheese and I'll get a 75-cent bonus. So that just comes out to be, sorry you guys, comes out to be $2.23, so another okay deal. Hello everybody. I am back from Walmart, and one thing I did not film was I found some Kinder eggs. Now I was just walking through looking for clearance. I was looking for hidden clearance is basically what it was. So I was going up through the aisles and I was up at the register and I was waiting in line and I saw a Kinder egg and I'm like, ooh, it's a Halloween one. So I'm like, I'm just gonna go walk around the aisle, the registers, and see if I find any more Kinder eggs. And I ended up finding 3 of these. I ended up scanning the price with the app. It says it wasn't found, but these were ringing up 47 cents, and then I scanned it with the Ibotta rebate and it said you get 75 cents. Now I thought it said you get 75 cents off of 2, but I bought 3 of them because I'm like 47 cents is still a great deal, but it's 75 cents each. I ended up getting 75 cents back each for these Kinder Eggs, which I was super, super excited for. So if you guys are kind of shopping through the store, look for them. Look for them. Look for them. I get this cashier. She absolutely loves it. She's like, okay, what did you find today? Because she saw that I had cereal in my cart last week, so I got like 6 boxes of Rice Krispies. This week I had the Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, and I found the, you know, the Captain Crunch. And she's like, okay, where'd you find that? And I says, I actually found it on the top shelf. I says, I'm tall enough where I was able to reach it. So she's like, well, I'm gonna go on my break soon and go get some cereal. So she was pretty excited for that. But I loved it how I could find some. They did have goldfish, Halloween goldfish on the shelf, but that was ringing up regular price. And I'm like, we don't pay regular price for that stuff. But I was just kind of searching for other stuff. My store had like one little section of clearance, and it wasn't hardly anything. So, but I'm happy with what I got. I kind of was looking around, scanning stuff. That app is like awesome for price checking. So I did that. So I did finish my turkey bonus, you guys. I did finish it. So I ended up getting 13 rebates altogether, but I only needed 9 rebates for the turkey. So those 3 extra rebates did not go towards the extra bonus. So I actually have the sides bonus now that popped up. So it says right here, unlock your free side offers. And I need 10 rebates to get my side offers. And we're going to hit that. We're going to hit it anyways. My parents are coming down for Thanksgiving, so we are going to definitely hit that. But I'm not getting my turkey at Walmart unless I find it pretty cheap. I usually get it at my grocery store, like Pick and Save. They have it for like super cheap if you spend so much on groceries. So I'm just going to check it out there, but I'm definitely going to get my turkey. I just got to have some little bit more room in my freezer. I did get a Weekend Warrior, guys. It was like a weekend mashed up potato thing, but it was 10 rebates for $5, and I love it when we get those $5 rebates. So I have a feeling a lot of people aren't doing the rebates because of the turkey bonus. You know, people, I see a lot of people like, I'm not doing it. And I think that's the reason why they probably have a Weekend Warrior this weekend, because of the bonus. So yes, so I pretty much got everything I shared with you guys on that. There was a couple things that I had written down, but it just didn't work out, which is totally fine with me. But my total came to $67.87. It was so nice to actually get half of what I've been getting. I've been going super crazy lately, but I want to help you guys. But $67.87. I ended up getting $23.11 back with Ibotta. With Fetch Rewards, I got 9,104 points. They did price adjust that Breyer's ice cream for me. They didn't have to, because it would have been a freebie for me anyways, but I just didn't want to pay more out of pocket, even though I would have gotten it back. But still, they price matched it for $2.98, but it is like $4. But yeah, 9,104 points is what I got, so I basically got $9.10. Checkout 51, I got $2.38. Swag Bucks, I got $9.01. They do have it where if you buy specific brands, you get like 1 point, 2 points, 5 points here and there. So make sure you guys are checking that out. I should take full advantage of those, that and my points. My points, I think it is, what, 600 points or 680, I think is the equation for my points, but I should do that. Shopping, I received $4.50. Shopkick, I received 1,325 points, which is $5.30. I did receive that craft bonus. I bought the stovetop, which I was going to buy anyways because my husband wants it. And then I bought the 2 macaroni and cheeses because I've been eating the Kraft macaroni and cheese lately, and I'm like, let's change it up. So I got that, and then I also received the Weekend Warrior. So I ended up getting 24 items for $8.72 at just 36 cents each. 36 cents each, and then I also will get bonus points or bonus money when I do my brand club. So what I do is I buy my stuff with my gift cards, then I scan my receipt to my Walmart app, so I have all that stuff there. Then my brand club is automatically connected to my Walmart account and Target. And so if I buy certain brands, then I get bonus points. So like every couple of days I'll get like a couple dollars from Brand Club, and I will take it. It's easy money for doing little effort whatsoever. But yeah, that was my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys can get it. I know a lot of you guys said you didn't want to do the turkey bonus, but if you can do it, definitely go ahead and do it. I'm just doing it right now because I wanted to challenge myself, because I'd rather have a free turkey than those other items. But I'm still happy with everything that I got. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I would love it. I am just shy of hitting 59,000. I want to hit a goal of 60,000 before Christmas, but it's going to be hard for that to happen. But if you guys can make things happen by subscribing to my channel, you guys can help it. But thank you guys for watching. Walmart Black Friday, my store was clearing out the main aisles for their Black Friday. I ordered stuff yesterday at like 12:15. Half of my orders already got delivered. It got delivered while I was shopping at Walmart, and I got like 6 individual packages. I ended up getting some stuff for birthday presents for my nephews for the future, so I'm like, can't pass up that deal. But yes, that was everything that I got. I hope you guys have an awesome deal. Make sure you guys shop the Black Friday ad at Walmart if you haven't already. That is event 1. They'll have another one in 2 weeks, so I'll share with you guys on that. But thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.